welcome. We're going to go over some technical analysis on Doge today. I'm going to help you figure out the best time to buy and what can we expect next going forward. We're going to talk about a little bit about SPY and about the triple Q and what's going on with some technical analysis with the market. So if you guys stay tuned, get comfortable, and check out what I got to say. All right, so first one we were looking at, this is a 1 hour chart for Doge. As y'all can see, it is stuck in a wedge right now. This is our current resistant, short-term resistant right here, around 61 cents. If we can break that, we can head up and test this resistant line of the wedge right here around 65 cents. We break that, we head into all-time highs, got a price target of 76 cents. Let's take a look at the daily chart. As you can see in the daily chart, this is pretty overextended to the upside. It went parabolic. A very unhealthy looking chart. All right, so when stuff like this happens, a pullback needs to come. A correction tends to happen. Don't know when it'll happen. Don't want to call top in a bullish market, but eventually it'll happen. All right, but I just want to be clear that in a correction, it doesn't always necessarily mean it has to come back down. All right, and then go back up. That's not always the case. Sometimes in a correction, it'll go sideways. All right, correction through time, guys. All right, and then it'll go up again. That stuff happens. Oops, sorry. Go. Let me get that out. All right. So in a correction, there's two things that can happen. It'll either go drop down to a previous high, which is around here, 45 cents area, and then go back up, or it'll just go sideways, all right, before it makes another move up. Okay, so if we look at more of a intraday time frame, like the 1 hour, as you can see, we are stuck in that wedge. All right, it's going sideways, guys. All right, I'll bring it back up for y'all here. All right, and boom. Look at that. It's literally testing it perfectly. 1, 2, okay? And here we have the resistance, all right? So keep that in your mind. If we break 65 cents, we could be heading back to new all-time highs, all right? So support right now is around the 58 cents. Keep an eye out, because we could be heading to lower lows, which is around 51 cents, all right? Next thing I want to talk about is the VIX. The VIX, like I said in my last video, it inverses the SPY. So it went up to our resistance around the 50-day moving average, but it couldn't hold and came right back down, okay? Even though it's a green candle, this is bearish price action, and that's good news for the SPY, all right? If you look at the SPY, this is the daily chart. It's still holding above the 20-day moving average. In a bullish trend, in a bull trend, you want the stock price to be above the 20-day moving average. To me, this is like an equilibrium. Also notice the Bollinger Band. Upper Bollinger Band is pointing down. Lower Bollinger Band is pointing up. A squeeze is coming, guys. When this happens, a squeeze happens, and then a big explosive move coming next. We don't know if it's going to be to the upside or to the downside, but we're going to, watch the price action, take it level by level, day by day. As of right now, the path of least resistance is to the upside, in my opinion. Some because it's staying above the 20-day moving average. That's bullish price action, and that's what I let guide me, all right? Including with the VIX. It got rejected at the resistance, rejected at the 50-day moving average. Bearish price action on the VIX, bullish price action on the SPY. I'm bullish on the SPY, guys. I really am. We take a look at the triple Q. This is a 1 hour chart. Take a step back, head back to the daily time frame, and look at that. Can y'all see that? It's a little mess up. Let me help you guys out. Let me take some of this out. Make it look clearer. Okay? Look at that. Boom. This is the bullish support line since March 2021. Okay? I mentioned this yesterday. And today, look, it bounced right off. Little fake out right here, but it bounced right off and it's holding beautifully, guys. Right? This is bullish price action. Okay, so I use Elliott wave. Oh goodness, let me find this right here. Use Elliott wave to help me figure out what can happen next. I believe we are finishing out the fourth wave and we're heading to the fifth wave. All right, got a price target at 350, maybe even 355. Who knows? Okay, for me, what I'm watching for to confirm this, it's a break over. Let me see, over this, the open of this red candle, which is around 332. So if I'm seeing triple Q start breaking over 332 and it's heading to the 333, that for me is confirmation that we are heading to the fifth wave. Okay, I'll probably buy a call option or something. All right, so good luck out there. I hope you guys got something out of this video. See you next time.